Hello, welcome to Glide Tech YouTube channel. In today's video, I'll be sharing with you on how to send snap without media upload. Now, media upload is actually a level that is going to be shown on your snap due to the fact that you are selecting it from your camera roll. It was not taken live. Now, in order to take a snap, to send a snap to someone without a media upload level, there are a few steps you have to take. The first step is to expand this option right here. You're going to see an option called director mode. Click on it. So right here, all you have to do is to click on import media, which is going to take you to your camera roll. So from here, you have to select the particular picture that you want to send. Click on the arrow here. So right here, you have to click on preview. So now you can send it to any of your friends that you want to send it to. It's going to be sent without your media upload level. So guys, that is it on how to send snap without a media upload. If this video was helpful, please do well to like, comment, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.